Abarai balia bare sensemi Linda Mwananchi bakoroga no mugabana we county ya Chia James Agirorengo amo no mubunge wensemo yebunge ya Mbakasi East ABWE nigo bakire ase Chiabisi chinene Chia DCI ensemo yebara ya Kiambu aiga himeyo mochio Nairobi asebono baganiririe EGETAMBOKERO KOIRWA kubatikanichi buraburu chege siasa ali tukire mapiri imeye county ya Omaibe ekerekyo musangekana Olinda Mwananchi kokwana nabariki amangana maiya Orengo nigo amochiribo romoraibu ense Dr. William Samuruto asokoro bya kisege chio ase ensemo ya ABWE niga tuguterare chinkuma magona magigo chinkwana buna umusa wayo maserieta Oliver nero roberetie chibura buru echio asensemo ye county ya Homa Bay.
If you look at what these people did in Homa Bay, the town, the roads looked like a lunar surface. They took time to barricade the roads to ensure that nobody would be able to use the roads in most parts of Homa Bay County. Again, with the complicity of the police, all through. And when we entered the county, at a very entrance into the county, we encountered hostile responses to our activities in Homa Bay. Hostile and violent. So I want to say that as far as I'm concerned, there is complicity and participation of the government of the Republic of Kenya. And this time I'm tired of talking about Raymond Omolo. I'm tired talking about Kanga. I'm tired talking about Murkomen. This is an activity which is condoned by the President of the Republic of Kenya. We hold President Ruto to account of the deaths and the violence that took place in Homa Bay. I know, as a matter of fact, when he was in Eldoret, in that region, he came to Kisumu and spent a night at the State House to organize the activities which took place in Homa Bay. President Ruto himself. And he provided money and other assets to make sure that we would not be able to go to Homa Bay.
And that they are saying that there are 15 people, a group of 15 people that were arrested before Sunday, and that was on a Saturday, and that these 15 people were being organized by Oliver. I think you should do better than this to the police officers that we have in this country. I think you should have better brains than what you possess at the moment. How do you just allege that those goons belonged to one Oliver? How do you know? How do you allege? Meanwhile, you have video clips showing the governor and the Homa Bay MP Kaloma saying clearly that goons should attack us and inviting goons to attack us, which means that they were the people who were organizing these goons against us. So today, we brought Oliver here. I know you always say that give a dog a bad name and you beat that. We will not go back in this case. This Oliver here. This Oliver campaigned for President Ruto in 2022. And this is the photo of Oliver and President Ruto in 2022. How comes now Oliver is bad that he is in Linda Mwananchi? Now that Oliver is in Linda Mwananchi, members of the press, I want you to zoom this photo. This is Oliver with President Ruto in Kisumu County. This is one photo.